So hello guys, so today we are going to create a small Node.js project where we will create a project and then create an endpoint which will run our project. So first thing that we require is Node.js. So if you are using a Mac OS, so you can directly go to this Node.js website and download the package and install it. Or if you are using Windows, then you can just choose a Windows and install their latest package. So I already have installed, so I will just go to my VS Code and try to see if I have installed it or not. So if you can see, if you have installed and type this node hyphen v, then it will show you the version of the node that you are using currently. So let's create a small project where we will set up our node.js. So first we will cd to our desktop. I guess we are already inside the one project, so now we are in desktop. So let's create a project name, my first express, like that. So now we have created a project. So let me just go to the desktop and open that project into the VS Code. So now, as we have already opened this, we'll open a terminal and we'll write npm init -y. So it will install npm or node.js in my project. So this is the very first command that we use to write. If you want to select all the things from your side, so you can remove this -y and it will ask you the name of your package. So you can enter whatever you want. Right now I'm not writing anything. So here it is asking for version. You can write your version, description, entry point, which is, so if you can see here it is, entry point is index.js. So we'll just go with the default. So yeah, if you just want to skip all this, you can just write npm init -y. So after this we'll create a index.js and uh, first thing we'll do is to console something to check if it is working or not. Let's write hello world and we'll write here. Okay, so first thing I'll show you how to run this. If you go to the package.json, here it is written as main file is index.js. So to run the node packages, you can write node and name of the entry file. So if you see, it has given me hello world. It means it is kind of working. So let's start with the Express.js now. So to install Express.js, we will write npm I express. So to install any package here in Node.js, we use npm and I command basically tells us to install and then the name of the package. If you want to install any particular version of Express, then you can just write @ and the name of the version, a number of the version. So as soon as I write this, it has just installed the Express.js 5.1.0. So now I'll come here and try to import the Express. Require and then Express. So here I have already exported the package. So I'll write const app. Basically I'm creating a app from that package. So I'm creating a object from that package which I will use now to create a endpoint or to create a small server basically. So now I'll define a port. Port is basically where my server will run. You can choose or you can see whatever port you can use. Right now I have written a 3000, so it will run on 3000. So let's write app dot get and then request and response and then curly. Yeah, so this way we can just here write res dot send whatever, this is my first Express app. So now this route has been done. So this is basically a get route. We will learn about post and all in later videos, but right now we are learning about get route. So this is the basic endpoint which we have created. Now we have to just listen to our port, because then only it will uh, listen to that. So we'll write listen port, and then small bracket callback. So we can write anything, let's say, or we can just write this only: server is running on this, and this port is basically using this one. So we'll save it, and we'll just go to our terminal and write node index.js that we did earlier also. So if you can see, it is saying server is running on localhost 3000. So to test this if it is working or not, we need to use this route. So where we have to use this route, as we know our port is basically localhost 3000, so we can go to this route and see if it is working or not. So we'll just copy this. Okay, so we will copy this and go to the browser here and just paste and see. So right now if you can see, this is working fine. Here it is, you can see it is written this is my first Express app which we have created here. So thank you so much. In the next video we will see how to create a post request.